When it comes to commercial roofing, TPO is the go-to solution for durability, efficiency, and long-term value. At Single Ply Roofing Experts, we install TPO systems with unmatched precision and care, serving California, Nevada, and Arizona. Our TPO roofs are energy efficient, heat reflective, and built to last, ideal for flat and low-slope roofing applications across all industries. We help solve critical roofing problems, leaks, deterioration, and poor insulation, by designing systems that deliver performance and peace of mind. With over 20 years of experience, 30-year NDL warranties, and local crews trained to the highest safety standards, we deliver projects with professionalism and accountability. We provide clear estimates, flexible financing options, and custom roofing plans built around your business needs and timeline. Ready for a high-performance roofing system from a team you can trust? Schedule your free TPO roofing consultation with Single Ply Roofing Experts today.